Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this one is probably more important or very important. We have, of course, updates for Microsoft Edge that do have the security updates. We often talk about how when Google Chrome has security updates, Edge will be affected. But what's different here is that, of course, Edge 111, the new version, is out. If you look at my video, I'll show you that there's the Copilot or the Bing icon on the upper right corner and all you can do with it. But what is interesting about this version is that Google Chrome had 40 security flaws. So that means that all of that is probably in the Chromium engine. And that also means that the Chromium engine, in Edge is probably probably has these 40 security flaws also, or close to it. So that means it's extremely important, even if you are not a Edge user. You never know sometimes when Edge could be opened for some reason, clicking a link. So upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge. And this is where you will have Edge 111.0.1661.41 today, March 13th, 2023. So for these 40 security flaws, so it's interesting when you look at the blog post of Edge, they actually don't really talk about the security. They tell you there's security, updates for the browser, and they barely talk about what is really the security flaws much. They do have a page where they actually have the information, which isn't even up to date most of the time. So they talk about some of the security updates that were in it, but it's not even up to date right now. So mostly you have to rely on the data that you get from Google Chrome for the most part. So even if you don't use it, update your Edge browser just to make sure you're the latest version to fix all the security flaws that were in the Chromium project that are also in Edge probably at this time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.